everyone, this is Ms. Bubbly Vee. Welcome to What's Next, Part 7, AAB Pattern. When you see a cow, you're going to say moo. When you see a duck, you'll say quack. I need my helpers. Let's get started. Moo, moo, quack. What's next, boys and girls? Is it the cow that says moo or the duck that says quack? Which one? The answer is cow. Moo, moo, quack. Now let's start from the very beginning. Moo, moo, quack, moo, moo, quack. That's it, boys and girls. Now you're going to have time to practice. Let's get started. Moo, moo, quack, moo. What's next, boys and girls? Is it moo or is it quack? It's moo, quack. Very good. One more time. Moo, moo, quack, moo, moo. What's next, boys and girls? Need my thinkers. Quack! Very good, boys and girls. You did a fantastic job that I knew you would do. Very good. And remember, come back and practice as many times as you like. And don't forget the other math patterns. Until next time, boys and girls. Bye.